do me like you do. It's your touch in the morning and a kiss in the night. I love how you move me and hold me so tight. It's those little things, the little things you do. Oh baby, just you do me like you do. For sure, one. Always fix my coffee just the way that I like, and you always answer when I call. Even though you cover all those little things, ain't nothing about you is small. This world is so crazy, makes me sad, makes me blue. But with you here beside me, I know we'll get through. Back to those little things, the little things you do. Oh baby, just you do me like you do. Oh please baby, just you do me like you do.
So what are some of those little things, honey?
You carry my guitar when that walk is too far. You drive the long drive.
We share the quiet in the car,
You know when to talk.
and you know when to not.
You give me the starting note,
You laugh at all my jokes.
and you leave that porch light on when I'm coming home late.
You never grump about closing that old gate.
You reach all the high things,
I change your strings,
coffee in bed,
flowers by the bed.